Hi, you have tuned in to Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really do appreciate it, and if this is your first time, welcome. Now today I'm going to show you the comforter set that I bought from Walmart, and I needed another comforter set. Just want to change things out a little bit, and this is what I purchased from Walmart. Okay, and this is a 10-piece queen size, and brand name is Mainstays, and this is the Walmart bedding. This is a queen size. It has, the set includes one queen comforter, 2 standard pillow shams, 3 coordinate throw pillows, okay, and it has a 4-piece queen size sheet set. Right now, this is a guest bedroom. It's a small bedroom, and I have the bed pushed against the wall, which I know for the home designers, interior designers, that's a no-no. But because this room is small and I got an oversized bed in it, so I know the bed is too large for this particular room. But I will be purchasing like a full size, and that would be perfect for this small guest room here, okay? So I do know the ins and outs of a little bit of decorating, okay? So I'm going to pull this out so you can see what it looks like. And I like it because it is reversible, so I can do the lighter side and also the darker side. And here's one of the little small pillows that goes with it. I don't know why they give you these little small toss pillows. To me, it's a waste because sometimes I use them, but most times I don't. Okay, and here are the pillow shams. That's the queen size. Okay, so here are these other little tiny toss pillows. And here's the other. So that completes the set, okay? Oh, no it doesn't. Forgot the sheets. These are the little sheets here. I think they said oh yes. Here are the pillow covers, and they are solid white. Moving all these pillows out of the way. Okay, so I took the queen size back and I went and got a king. The king costs a little bit more, and if this doesn't work, I gotta take this back. Now this video is not showing you how to make up a bed, okay? Okay, so here we are, and we are going to go ahead on and take down this picture here. Guys, I had this picture up forever. You hear me? Forever. And it is time to come off the wall so another picture can have a new home. So this picture here, and well, this mirror, and also the picture that I had above my bed, my headboard, took that down. So now I'm going to clean this area, just cleaning the back of the wall, because now I have cleaned this wall before and put that picture back up here. And so I'm just going to go ahead on and just brush it down, the baseboard and everything. And as I say, this room is small, and I purchased this oversized bed for this room without even thinking. So wiping down the headboard as well to make sure all the dust is gone, and cleaning off my what you say, dresser. And I know now we don't have, or we're not using the mirror over our dresser, but I purchased this mirror with this dresser, and I'm thinking about soon taking this mirror down because I know it's sort of like outdated to have a mirror over your dresser. But hey, however you want your mirror to be, that's fine. If you want your mirror over your dresser, that's fine. Okay? But whatever satisfies you, that is okay. So now I'm just going to keep wiping, and I'm using this Pledge. And Pledge is one of my favorite. I've been using this forever as well. It takes off the dust off your furniture so well. So that's why I love it. So I'm going to continue to clean this, okay? And making sure that I'm getting between the cracks. So what I'm doing is I'm spraying the Old English on the cloth, so I won't spray the Old English between the cracks and can't get them out, because this little dresser is very detailed, okay? So don't want to leave anything between the cracks that I don't need to. And guys, I guess all of a sudden I just decided I need to change this room out, but I never have shown you this room before because of how small it is and how the bed is against the wall. But now another reason why I got this size bed is because when I have visitor coming up, I don't want, well, you know how you can put like at least 2 people in one bed, okay? And depending on the size they are, if they're like 3 small children, I can put 3 small children in this bed, okay? So right now I am putting my pillow covers, well, my pillow covers are already on. I'm just trying to rearrange these pillows on the bed, and I'm keeping that black and white palette. So this is what I'm going with, and I have already put my pictures up, and I already cleaned, and I'm just going to go ahead on and continue to. Now right here is where I'm fluffing my pillows, because you know how with the faux pillow, how the fur be just going all over the place. So I just took my time and just took my hand and just squeezed it out. And I like to fluff my pillows so they'll look good and fresh when I put them on the beds, okay? And so but guys, if you like content like this, I ask that you just go ahead on and subscribe. Now what I do decorating with me, clean with me, decorating on a budget per se, shop with me, and I do work out in my flower bed, in my yard, my deck, my front porch, and I do a little bit of real estate, but I haven't done real estate now in a minute. But if you like content like this, I'm asking that you just consider subscribing to this channel, and I will, and I do appreciate it, okay? And to all of my ride or dies, as Clarissa Coward will say, I love when she say, for all of my ride or dies, okay? I'm all done with this space, so let's move to the head of the bed. And here I have the nightstand, which is matching the nightstand to the foot of the bed. And I'm just not going to put too much in this space, but I do want to make it uniform to put some of the same items that I used on the other nightstand. And I got my lamp on this stand as well. Now, this dresser here is oversized, and I thought about getting another bedroom set, okay? But this dresser is oversized, and it's huge, okay? So, like I said, this room is too small for it. But I'm gonna go ahead on and fluff these greenery out, and I like to bring in some greenery with my white and black. And I think that greenery gives that white and black a pop. So you will see me decorating more with adding the greenery to my black and white, okay? So back to the decoration. I am using two more books that I picked up from, let's see, one of these books I picked up from a yard sale. Okay, so I'm using that book as a riser as well. Okay. So guys, I will be doing a lot more decorating. I need to go downstairs and do my bathroom because my husband, I don't know how many of you guys have seen the video where he was fixing on the guest bathroom downstairs, okay? And so he finished that. But guess what? I have not shown that bathroom since he completed it. But I was waiting for him to go ahead on and be available when I get ready to record that, because I really wanted him to do that, okay? All right, so here is the reveal, guys. So I am all done with this room. I took down the pictures, as you can see there, and I went and purchased that new comforter set, and I used some of the pillows. I take it back. I used one of the pillows that came with the set, and the rest of those are still in the bag because they are putting small pillows in these bags now. Well, I guess they've been doing it, okay? They never stopped. And here is the dresser. I am all done. Got my gray mat between the dresser and the bed. So when I get out of the bed, I don't have to like put my feet directly on the floor because these are hardwood floors, and in the winter time they can get cold or uncomfortable. I put it like that. And this space here, this where I got my lap and got my greenery at the bottom. I told you I'm bringing in more greenery to add to my black and white. So in the near future, you will see that greenery popping in there somehow. And even during the winter month, I'm going to see how I can incorporate a shade of green in my fall and winter decor. Now, I will be coming in with my fall decor maybe, I don't know, in a couple of videos. But I just want to enjoy the summer month before I come in with the fall decor, okay? Because this is still August and we still have a few more weeks before fall hits. Yes. And here is the picture that I got on the wall. And guys, guess where I moved these pictures from? Okay, so in the comments, if you have been following me, let me know where you have seen these pictures in my previous videos, okay? And on this side here, I went on and basically did the same thing, same little setup on the other side of my bed, okay? And I have my, guess what? My greenery. Yes, I got my greenery. Now, this is a live plant. And I have live plants throughout my house. And these little booker here, I painted them black and white. Got those from thrift store, 2 for $5. This little booker here, I got this flora from Burlington for $9.99. And these are some little figurines. And I'm going to let you guess where I got those little black figurines. I had those in my previous videos. Comment below, guys. Let me know how closely you are following me. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, now here's the bed. Now, the black pillow covers, I got those from Amazon. And I think, I can't remember the price of them, but you probably have to go back to my Amazon haul. And I do have the price of those pillows. And this here is a rug. This is another piece that I have been using in my previous videos. Let me know where you have seen this piece. What area in the house have I been using this rug, okay? This little throw rug per se. Now, These lamps here, I got these from Ross, and this one was $39.99. And I got a floor lamp, but I'm not using that one right now. So maybe later on I bring that piece in my floor lamp. This is another little piece that I picked up from Burlington. And these tables, guys, I got these on Facebook Marketplace, 2 for $50. And they are in excellent shape. And my little jewelry box, I got that from Home Goods. And I think it was like either $16.99 or $19.99. Now, you have seen these statues here. So I used those a few times, moved those in different places in the house. And see what else. This is Michelangelo. Let me introduce you to Michelangelo. And these vases came from Ross. For those that are new to my channel, I'm just naming a few of these pieces, how much they were and where I picked them up from. And this is Hermes. So I'm introducing you to my little statue, Hermes. And he came from Ross as well. And I think he was $14.99. Now this greenery is new. I picked those up from the Dollar Tree. Of course, $125. Okay. So this is what we got going on in this particular space. And this rug, I showed this to you, but this is my first time showing you where I'm styling it. But I picked this up from Rose's department store, okay? And it was $9.99. All right, so right here is, I did a short on this. With God, all things are possible. And this is my black and white plaque that I have on my wall to remind me that all things are possible with God. Now in this area, here goes the other nightstand that I picked up from Facebook Marketplace. And these pictures, you are going to tell me where I had these in the house, which area, okay? So just to give you another quick pan around, guys. And at this time, if you like the content, like what you see so far, this is the opportunity to go ahead on and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Leave me comments. And if you don't say anything but hi, H-I, then that way I will know that you are there. Now, there have been a lot of you that have been subscribing to this channel, but you are not commenting to let me know that you have already subscribed, so I can congratulate you and welcome you to the family. So if you subscribe, please, please, please let me know, because I don't want to leave you out. I want to comment back to you and welcome you to the channel and thank you for becoming a part of the precious family. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, and I will see you in the future, because your future looks good on you. And stay safe and stay blessed, because Jesus is soon to come again. Bye-bye.